What it do, YouTube? Back at you. Installing that steering wheel. Got that hole in there. Probably need to put a little lube in there because she's a little tight. But it's on there though. Check it out. Oh shit. Bam. Quick release. Bam. Pretty simple installation. Yeah. Couple of things I was doing to it before I take it back to the track. Yeah. I went ahead and sent the turbo off. The Jose Air Force inductions. Get their new high flow on 8093. I ain't never seen what mine will do. You know, it's all about going fast. So since the car was down, I went ahead and took it off. Sent it out. Should get it back in about a week or so.